All right, guys, so if you are mining PixelVerse, I'm talking about the Pixel Tap bots on Telegram. If you are on it and have been mining diligently at this point, congratulations. In just 3 days time, you will be able to cash out, and trust me, I'll be covering every aspect on this very channel, from how you can claim your airdrop, how you can transfer them from your wallet to an exchange, how you swap them to USDT, how you can even cash out into your mobile money wallet or your bank account will be explained. I will cover every aspect on this very channel, so make sure you don't go anywhere. Right, so I saw this message, this text on Facebook as I was scrolling there today. I was happy, but I didn't want to share the news before I confirm. Just like I've already been saying, always don't believe no matter where the information is coming from, but make sure you verify. So let me prove it to you guys that this you are seeing here is. So as I saw the message, I came on Twitter to find out for myself, and guess what? BitGet themselves has posted this listing, right? Meaning this is gonna happen. No cap, no doubt, no darling. All we are waiting for is to cash out. But hey, how do you prepare yourself for this? Right, you see, it's only BitGet that has posted to list this very project, right? No other exchange has also availed themselves. So how do you get yourself prepared? First, make sure you are mining PixelVerse airdrop, right? Check the description section of this very video. I'll leave a link there. Also, make sure you have a BitGet account. It's very crucial because let's say Binance, OKX, Mex Global, and all the other top tier 1 exchanges don't come on board to list, and it's only BitGet that's going to list. Trust me, you will need an account with them. Verify it even before the exact date. So that is what's required of everyone for now. Look into the description section, sign up for PixelVerse Tap on Telegram. You only need a Telegram account and it's free, guys. It's absolutely free. After that, please, it doesn't end there. Make sure you create a BitGet account, verify it. If you don't know how to do it, and if you want me to make a tutorial on it for you, just drop it in the comment section. If you can do it, please go ahead and do it now. Time and tide wait for no man, and we are talking about money. This is money, guys. Money, dollars, right? Dollars coming into your bank account, your mobile money wallet. So don't joke with it at all, guys. See you in the next post.